Welcome to the Tibetan class. So last time I posted this sentence on my Facebook, and like I have about 300 followers on my Facebook and about 100 on WhatsApp, and I asked this question to make Tibetans aware of their own language. But then when I post some question related to Tibetan grammar, no one ever answers the question. Either they are ignorant, or they are afraid of making mistake, or they are not confident whatsoever. Only two Tibetans try to answer it. And since they have never tried to teach Tibetan, they didn't get it quite right. And I did research for 25 years on my own language, and still I find new things that I have to learn. Like Einstein said, the more I learn, the more I realize how little I know. Exactly like that. So presently I'm writing the third edition of the first volume, and Tibetan language is very, very, very logical. We have many auxiliaries, and all these auxiliaries have very good explanations. You have to do research and find the explanation. When I started teaching Tibetan to Westerners, I can speak Tibetan instinctively, but I didn't have any explanation. And so 99 of the Tibetan people are like that. They speak instinctively, correctly, but they don't know why they say Yore or Duk or Song or Pare. So to make my Tibetan brothers and sisters aware of our own language, but very little response I get from Tibetans. So here is very interesting. So they didn't go, okay, I forgot. They didn't go to. They didn't go to learn Tibetan. So in Tibetan you can say this in two different ways. Kongso inji changa chinpa mare. Kongso inji changa chimba mare. Kongso inji changa chimba mare. So the negative ma is placed just before the auxiliary re. And here Kongso inji changa ma chin pare, ma before the verb, ma chin pare. Kongso inji changa chinpa mare. Kongso inji changa chimba mare. Kongso inji changa ma chinpa re. So this is there. For this English sentence, there are two ways to say it in Tibetan, but both of these have different meanings. So here, it's very logical language, very logical. So, Kongso, Inji, Changa, Ma, Chimpare, they didn't go to learn English. They didn't go to learn English. Ma, Chimpare. Now this sentence says that they didn't go to learn English deliberately, of their choice. They choose not to go to learn English. They choose not to go to learn English. They have choice, but they choose not to go. So, this one is the CHOSE. And then the first one is Kongso Inji Changa Chimpa Mare. They didn't go to learn English. And then this sentence says that it is not their purpose to go. It is not their purpose to go. It's not their purpose to. Their purpose of going is not to learn English. Inji Changa Chimpa Mare. They went, but not to learn English. They went for something else. Kongso Inji Changa Chimpa Mare means they didn't go there with objective to learn English. Kongso Inji Changa Chimpa Mare. Kongso Inji Changa Chimpa Mare. They're going to somewhere. They didn't go to a place with objective of learning English. Kongso Inji Changa Chimpa Mare. So they went there for some other purpose. Kongso Inji Changa Ma Chimbare. They choose not to go. They have choice. They have several choice, but then they choose not to go. Kongso Inji Changa Ma Chimbare. Kongso Inji Changa Ma Chimbare. They choose not to go. And here, their objective of going to a place was not to learn English. Kongso Inji Changa Chimpa Mare. They went for some other purpose. So, if you find this class helpful, please like it, comment and share it. I'm not teaching Tibetan on YouTube so as to earn some extra money, the money paid by YouTube is very, very little, negligible. It's not for the money, it is to preserve our language, and you can help the class by sharing it, uh, make the class reach far and wide by commenting, liking, and subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much for coming, and tomorrow I will come up with some interesting sentence. So till then, take care.